Hello guys, this is Shifu Wealth. Now, what if I tell you that there is an AI tool just like ChatGPT, but this time for crypto trading that can provide price forecasting, provide coin analysis suggestions, even in your content creation as well. A super powerful tool that can literally help your trading decision. A very amazing tool. The same way you get to ask ChatGPT questions and ChatGPT provides an answer for you, and that answer is like a guide for the solution you need based on the problem you brought to it. That's the same way when you're confused about a particular asset class in crypto, you can actually ask this same tool and it provides a guide, answer, and suggestion for you as well. It is a super powerful tool that can literally help change your trading game, like change it astronomically. Now, let's look into this tool and see how this tool operates and how you can actually have access to this tool as well. Let me share my screen for that. Now, this tool is called TradeGPT. You should know very well that ChatGPT does not answer financial related questions when it comes to giving such kind of suggestion. It is designed to shy away from that. But here we have a tool that picks up from the limitation of ChatGPT to provide that solution for us in crypto trading. Now, for you to have access to this TradeGPT tool, it is a Bybit tool. It's a tool on Bybit. For you to have access to it, you definitely need a Bybit account. So if you do not have a Bybit account, you want to make sure you create one. There's a link attached to the video or the bottom of this video, which you should click, and then you can now create a Bybit account with that link, and then you can also easily access this tool from the Bybit page as well. So this is called TradeGPT. Now, because when you come to the tool, it asks you to log in so you can chat now. So if I click on login, and it's going to log me in so I can chat with the tool as well. I have just clicked on logged in. Now you see a couple of questions I have already asked this tool. We're going to look at the questions I asked, the answers it gave, and also asking it extra questions right here on the live. Now, the first question I asked it is, between longing and shorting BTC today, which has the highest probability of giving me profit, and provide me the best entry price and stop loss to use? It says here, based on the data provided, this market sentiment is at 38, which means the market is having a sentiment of fear. This shows that the market is cautious and uncertain. But the technical indicator suggests a high probability of a bullish trend for BTC today. The MACD signal is bullish, and it has signaled bullish 9 times in the past 7 days. Additionally, the major whale trader, which is one of the amazing tools here, it also helps to reveal to you what the major whale traders on Bybit, their buyers in trading for the week or for the day. Now, additionally, the major whale traders on Bybit have a bullish position direction. However, it's important to know that one technical indicator or sentiment alone may not be enough to determine the best entry price and stop loss, which is very true. It's always recommended to use multiple indicators and analysis methods to make informed trading decisions. Since there's no specified time frame for the user's question, they challenge you to provide the exact entry price and stop loss. But to determine the entry price and stop loss, you can consider the Bollinger support and resistance level for BTC. The Bollinger support is 25,982 and the resistance price is 26,0547. These levels can help you set a potential entry price and stop loss based on your risk tolerance and trading strategy. For example, if you decide to take a long position, you might consider entering the trade if BTC breaks above the resistance level of 26.47. In this case, you could set a stop loss at a level below the support price of 25,980 to manage your risks. It is important to assess the market conditions and monitor price movement closely to determine the optimal entry and exit points for your desired trading strategy. Now, risk disclosure. Predictions are for reference only, not investment advice. Investing involves risks. Make sure your decisions are cautious. For any inquiries about Bybit products and services, please contact Bybit customer service or Bybit help center. Sorry if I might be reading this very fast. It is quite a long reading, so I just want to read it through fast. But if you look here, they are showing us that the bias on the market sentiment is showing a bias of fear, and the market is very uncertain right now. But the trend, both technical indicators and the fundamentals that come from the major waves, is that BTC is bullish for the short term, and there's a potential of longing BTC providing more profits than shorting BTC. And if it happens, it also provides us a suggestion that could work for an entry and a stop loss as well. Now, this is another question I asked them. What is your price prediction for BLZ this week? Now, as of the time me doing this video, this is the 27th of August on a Sunday. That's when I'm doing this video. So what is the price prediction for BLZ this week? Based on the analysis provided, the current price for BLZ is 0.11329. It experienced a 24 hours change of -4%, and the price trend for the day suggests a high probability of being bullish. The 7-day price change was plus 0.47%. Considering the technical indicators within the last 7 days, the MACD signal has been consistently bullish, having signaled 6 times. However, for the next 1 hour, the MACD signal is bullish only once, with a 16.67% chance. Looking at a broader time frame of 30 days, the MACD, the RSI, the BOL, the KDJ indicators do not show any specific patterns or signals to make a prediction. Considering funding analysis, so they're looking at various sectors. We've looked at the technical indicators, looked at the broader time frame. Now we're looking at funding analysis. Considering funding analysis, the major whale traders on Bybit have positioned themselves in a bullish direction with a long short ratio of 1:17, indicating a slightly higher bullish sentiment. The AI, why the Bybit AI model prediction is not provided, the market sentiment index currently stands at 38, indicating a fearful sentiment in the market. So based on the available information, it is difficult to provide a specific price prediction for BLZ this week. It is important to consider that cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and can be influenced by various factors. Now, if you look at what the sentiment already provided by this is already giving a sentiment that there's a lot of fear and uncertainty in the market right now, just like for BTC, but there's a tendency that BLZ will go bullish and has more upside advantage even in this week from the current price it is right now. Now, this is just me adding my extra knowledge added to what this is already providing to me right now in the market. So let us ask for the price prediction for these two, and that is going to be it for now. The two I want to ask about is Celo. What's your price prediction and market forecast for Celo? That's the question. Here is also telling us the same thing. The funding analysis for Celo is showing a bullish position. The way traders, the funding analysis shows that the major way traders have a bullish position direction with a long short ratio of 2.30. So we have more of the whales wanting to long these assets than to sell it. And it's also showing here that there's a high probability of a bullish trend for Celo, and the MACD indicator as well is indicating bullish. Let me ask another question. If Celo is to go higher this week, how high do you expect it to go? Let's wait for this answer. Unfortunately, it's also telling us here the same thing it already told us, which means it is difficult to determine the exact price level that Celo may reach this week. However, we can analyze the technical indicators and market sentiment to provide some insight. Now, the more you get to use this chart, the more you get to become accustomed to it, just like ChatGPT, and devise strategies that are powerful that you can literally use, asking the right questions that will provide the needed answers that will help you in your trade decision. The name is called TradeGPT. It is a powerful tool and amazing tool. I want you to go out, try out this tool, test this tool for this week, and let me know in the comment section how this tool impacted your trading life this week, or if the tool is useful, if you find the tool amazing, if you find it powerful, if you find it awesome. Also, please share with me in the comment section how this tool is amazing or how you feel it works as well. Because while you begin to use it, various people will definitely begin to develop hacks on how powerful you can actually leverage on it to make the most out of it. The same way people have developed hacks around ChatGPT to use it very, very well. That is the same way I trust you guys to develop hacks to utilize TradeGPT very, very well. See you soon. Like we always say, if the student be ready, the Shifu will appear. And when the Shifu appears, what happens? The students prevail. See you soon, guys.